Welcome to Nalla Narasimhareddy Education Society Group of Institutions. This is Kameshwari, Department of Civil Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about Unit 3. In that we are choosing components of rainwater rooftop rainwater harvesting systems. So from rooftops rainwater harvesting systems, that is catchment area, transpiration, first flush, storage system, delivery system, filtration system. First, step by step, we can discuss in briefly for rooftop rainwater harvesting. The first one is catchment area. So it refers to the surface of a paved area, terrace, or courtyard of a building, or an unpaved area such as lawn or ground. That is, a catchment refers to the surface of paved area or unpaved area which receives the rainwater harvesting. So the roofs of the building are provided with coarse mesh or grill at the outlet for water to prevent the passage of debris. So from collection of rainwater from the rooftops, we can take some of the remedial methods for purifying the water. Why? Because of in rooftops there will be a grass or leaves from the trees, or any dust particles will be there in a ground surface. That's why you can provide the coarse mesh or drill at the outlet of the water to prevent the passage of debris. And so figure shows the rainwater harvesting for underground water tanks from collection of the water from the rooftops, and then that will be discharge in a certain velocity, certain design. It can be designed very carefully while designing in a rooftops, so easily passes through the pipes, and then that can be connected in a tanks. So surface that receive rainfall direct in the catchment harvesting system. So terrace, covered, paved and unpaved ground. So these figures. And next one is transportation. What is transportation? The rainwater from rooftops are transported via gutters or channels to the storage or harvesting system. So the rooftops water will be transferred by using either gutters or channels of the storage of rainwater harvesting systems. So the gutters or channels are made of materials like polyvinyl chlorides or galvanized iron. So by using these pipes, galvanized iron pipes, so the water will be collected from the rooftops, and then that will be stored in a particular tanks. Transformed system. Here also figure shows the transformed. So this is the transformed using pipes. These are the pipes for water collection, and then that will be stored in a tank. Here supporting transfer pipe, and then that will be stored in a particular storage tanks. So rooftop should be carried through downtake water pipes or drains to storage harvesting systems. So that can be used in UV resistance of required capacity. And first flush. What is first flush? It is devised with a valve fitting. Valve fit it into flush of the first spell of rain to prevent contamination of rechargeable water by pollutant in the atmosphere. So the first shower of rain needs to be flushed off to avoid the contaminating storage or rechargeable water by probable contaminants of the atmosphere and the catchment roof. So it will also help in cleaning off silt and other materials deposited on roof during the dry seasons. So first plus important is valve fitted to the flush off the first spell of rainwater prevent contamination or rechargeable water by pollutant in the atmosphere. And also storage tanks are different shapes and different types, different shapes and different types, and all water collected roof water and also store in the tanks and barrels. This is the underground, we can construct underground tanks for rainwater storage. This is also another one. And different storage tanks, different shapes are there, like a pot shape and a rectangular, triangular, and a different type of materials and a different shapes also used for collecting the water from the rooftops for storage. And also delivery system. What is delivery system? So it is a system to deliver of water for use. There are use of pumps to take out water from tanks and deliver for many purposes. What is that many purposes? So the first one is water will be like precipitation from that comes from the atmosphere to ground that will be reached on a rooftop. That water will be catched, and this type of shapes also we can collect it by like this way. We can construct this type of on rooftops so that water will be passed on a roof and that will be stored, and then that will be transferred by using delivery pipes like PVC pipes, and that water will be transferred to the storage tanks. Water will be passed through the storage tanks. Catchment will be stored on a rooftops that will be delivered by using delivery pipes and will be stored on a storage tanks. So rainwater harvesting components. And filters. Next one is filters. They are used to filter out the debris that come with the rooftop water and prevent them by adding the storage that of mesh filters, fish filters, and sediment discharge stop. So that filters are sand filters and different types of filters and turbidity, color, and microorganisms from rainwater collection over the rooftop. So this is the one type of a filter for filtering on a rooftop that dust particles and um, rooftops debris and also dust particles, any grass, any algae, and also leaves of the trees. So that can be filtered by using these different types of filters. And filtration system. Filtrations are used for treatment of water to effectively remove turbidity, color, and microorganisms. After first flushing of rainwater should pass through filters. There are different types of filters in practice, but basic functions is to purify water. And sand gravel filters. This is the one type of filter by using the commonly used filter constructed by brick masonry. First layer is sand, next layer is aggregate, and third layer is we can add pebbles, sand, aggregates, and pebbles. So water will comes from the rooftops, and that rainwater will be passed through these three layers, and then filter water really comes from the outside of the that particular thing. So constructed by brick by using these 3 layers. So each layer should be separated by wire mesh. So in that wire mesh, that water will be filtered. And also next one is charcoal filter. This is also another method for filtering the filter can be made in situ drum, pebbles, gravel and sand. This is also pebbles, charcoal and sand, and this is also one of the filter. Each layer should be separated by using wire mesh. So the sand filter consists of coarse sand layer by 8 mm to 10 mm and also gravel layer 20 mm to 30 mm, so that can be provided pebbles. And in charcoal filter made of drum, wire mesh, the charcoal and waterless absorbent. And also PVC pipes, that this filter can be made by PVC pipe 1 to 1.2 meters. So any dust particles like leaves and stone dust, any grass, algae, that will be filtered by using this type of filter. So we can go for any type of filter way that will be filtered by using this type of filtering techniques. So that will be 8 inches diameter. Pipe should be used for roof more than 1500 square feet. Pipe is divided into 3 compartments by wire mesh. Each and every filtration we can use, that can be divided by using filter mesh. Why? Because of wire mesh we can use that wire mesh and the diameters also different by filtering fine particles, core particles and intermediate type of particles. So this is the brief introduction of filters, sand filters, filtration filters and delivery systems, storage tanks and first flush and transpiration and catchment area. So these are the different components of the rooftop rainwater harvesting systems. Thank you.